wrecker. So we'll sell those. They're for sale. All you got to do is get your hand in the air. They don't run.
Okay? They do not run, guys. They don't run.
They've sat for quite a while.
They're set for quite a while.
Where's Rusty? You out here?
Rusty's right there.
Right where? Tell me about the rollback. What do we know about it?
All we know is it had some kind of a motor problem. The motor back here has been inside, out of the weather, and we were told that was supposed to be a no good motor.
Okay. So the motor on the back of this truck is supposed to have a motor problem. The motor on the back of the truck has been kept inside. It's supposed to be a good motor. So, guys, it's not like it is.
You're on your own. Rusty will tell you everything he knows about it. That's all he knows. Motor's not.
Well, that's the problem with the motor. It's in the back of the truck.
It's a rear engine.
Good title. Does have good title. Motor's not. There's something wrong with this motor.
Hey, guys, you're buying that rollback.
You're buying the motor.
Yeah.
That's right. All right, on this truck right here, it does have a good title, and this may be a little tanker. I bet you can do it. All right, on the truck right there, get down, how much here, get down, pop down. Good pond here, get down, pop down, get down, how much here, get down, 4. Hit 4 here, get down, 3, 1. Hit 3 here, get down, 30, $100. Hit 31, 1, 1, get down, 3 here, get down, 1, get down, how much?
Hey, I got an idea.
Yes.
It don't matter where we start, folks. It don't matter at all. All that matters is the last one with their hand in the air. $1,000 bucks. Go. 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 13. Stay in there. Yep. There's a bargain, boys. Yep. You done?
1850 one time. 18 half here. $1,900. 19.
Yep.
Hit 1 here. 21, 2, $200. You're getting the whole truck, not just wheels and tires. 22. Hit 21, 2. Hit 21 here. Get down 2. Get down half. Get down 2. Get down 22. Get down half. Hit 22 and a half.
We're shooting small bullets, boys.
Hit 22 and a half here.
Yeah.
3. Hit 23.
Stay in there.
Keep looking. 23 and a half. Hit 23. Get down 15.
Roll back. Stay in there. You're in the business.
Good title, 23 and a half. 23.15.
Go plug me in,
I'm going to
Bobby.
get down 24. Hit 4 here, get down half here, get down 24.15. Hit 24 half here, get down 24 here, half here 5. Hit $2,500.
Are you done? Don't quit so easy.
Hey, he's going to beat you out for $50.
Hey, you got it. There you go. Yep.
$600. Hit $2,600. Hit 25. Get down
You know what he said? He said, I know he's quitting. He's going to quit. Don't quit. Show him.
Get down security, get down 25 here, get down $2,600. Hit
Go!
get down $2,700. Hit 6 here, get down 7, get down.
Look what you're getting, $2,700. Hit 26
Hey,
here,
dude,
get down 7.
you got a cheap hat on and a German Shepherd. Don't quit now. Go!
28.
Oh,
Are you
don't
done?
quit now.
Hey, what about that 50? We're gonna do 27 and a half. You say half?
Thank you.
Hit 27, get down, thank you. Hit 27, get down 50. Get down 27, get down 50. 27 and a half.
Just trying to get out of the way.
You done?
He's done.
He's done.
So, $2,700 goes to our number. 115. 115. Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Story on the wrecker. Rusty.
Story on the record.
Supposedly, they thought it had a transmission problem, put a transmission in it, didn't fix the problem. Then we were told that it needed a ECM.
They were told they had a transmission problem.
They put a new
Put a new
transmission in it.
transmission in it. Didn't fix the problem. Needed a new ECM.
Did a ECM, and that didn't fix the trouble either.
ECM didn't fix the trouble either.
The last thing that we understood was they thought it had some kind of wiring issue keeping the transmission from shifting.
Thought it
Okay.
might have some kind of wiring issue, keep the transmission from shifting.
Hey, that's all we know about the
That's
truck.
all we know about the truck. The rest of it, you dig in it, figure it out.
Yep, got a title.
Title, good title on
Got a
it.
title.
Does have a title. Does have a title. All right, on the record right there, how much here, I'm not shocking. I'm going to get down 2 pounds. Get down 1,011. Get down $11, get down 11, get down 12, get down 13, get down top of the line, get down half. 13, get down 13, get down 14, $15. 16, 17, get down 17, get down 17, 18, 19, 19, get down 2, get down 1, get down 21, 2, 22, get down 22, 3, hit 3 and 3, now you're both out, 23, you're both out, get down 4, hit 24, get down 3, 2, get down 4, get down 20, $400, hit 5, get down 6, hit 26, get down 7,
down 7, down 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, down 20. Go ahead. It's 3, 3, down 1, down 31. It's 31, 1, 1, 1, down 3, 2, down 1, down 30. $100 on the record. It's 31, down 3, 2, down 31, 1, 1, 1, down 31 another. 31 another. Down 2. 32, 3, 33, 4, 34, 34. I'll give you the same amount of time I gave him. 34. It's 34. 50 down 3, 2, 50 down 50 down 5. It's $35. 50 down 35, 50 down 4, 0, 50 down 5, 50 down 35. It's 35, all in, all in. 50 down 34, 5. So $3,400 on buying up to the beat.
What's your number? 224.
224. 224. Thank you.
I tell you what, let's sell the tractor.
You were right in the middle of between them. You were like, what? Backing out.
Hey, you sell a little tractor first, right?
Yeah, where's
I've
Rusty
got
at?
one for sale that runs. Yeah.
Show us how that thing works, Rusty.
Rusty. Hey, that's a slick little Kubota, guys. Watch your feet. Little backhoes are working. Does have a thumb on it. Do all kinds of work, guys. Kubota, backhoe, does have a thumb. It's Kubota. How many horse?
Probably a 23.
20 some horse.
Is that about what it is?
A 23 horse.
It's probably around a 23
4-wheel
horse.
drive, belly mower,
Hey guys,
bucket on the front end loader, hydrostat. You got your backhoe, you got everything in one little package. We'll be selling. Yep.
It's got the thumb, guys, which is extra. It's got a whole bunch of extra parts up here that goes with it. What you see is what you get. Got the book with it. It was advertised to sell with a reserve. He'll have the right to say yes or
We'll
no.
have the right to say yes or no when we get done, guys. It does sell with the reserve. But from what I, nice little
It's
tractor.
as good as it looks.
How many hours?
It's only got
just under 400.
it's got
Just under 400 hours.
393 hours on it.
Not even broken.
Brand new, guys.
Especially for a Kubota. All right, getting the belly, you're getting the nice little Kubota, getting the whole package right there. How much here? 18.5. With 18, down top of the 18.5, 18.5, 18.5.
18,500.
$18,500. Say 15,000. 15, 15,000. 15,000. It's 14, 1. It's 14, down 1, 1, 1. 14, yeah.
Stop.
Yes.
Obviously, nobody's priced one of these. Guys, go to a Kubota store and price one of these new with the stuff that you see here now.
With the backhoe.
Here's what we're gonna do.
Front end.
I've got a Kubota tractor. I don't have one like that. It's me at 10 grand. Go.
10, 5, 10, 2, down, top of the line, top of the line, top of the line, down, 10, 2, down, 10, 5, 10, 2, money's on, 10 grand, 10, 5, 10, 2, down, top of the line, top of the line, top of the line, down, 10, 2, down, 10, 5, 10, 2, down, top of the line, 10, 2, 15, down, 10, 2, down, 15, 10, 2, top of the line, 5, 10, 5, down, top of the line, down, top of the line, God, down, 2, 5, 10, 5, down, 7, down, 11, 11 down. 2 1/2 down 11 1. 11 1. 11 1. 11 1. 11 1. It's a steal at that buy, guys. I sell a specialty sale once a month in Springfield, and I'll guarantee it bring more than that
Guys,
specialty.
it's way under the money.
That's
Let me give a quick speech here, guys. I don't need the tractor. The tractor's way under the money. If he says sell it, I'm going to
We're
take
all
it
gonna
straight
be
to that
sick.
dealer auction, and I'm going to make about 4 or 5 grand.
That's a fact.
You guys, if you don't need it, I understand that. But if you want one, here's one way under the money. It's me that's in.
Good shape,
and I'll
too.
dang sure take it for that. But if you want to keep going, keep going. I'm going to quit here shortly, but I'm telling you, you're under the money on
Cheap
this.
enough. Under the money. 11,000. 11 1. 11 do all the work you could possibly want to do. 11 1.
Hey,
11 1.
I'm smiling all the way if he
I
takes
think
it.
so.
Just
11 1.
stay in.
11,000. 11 1. 11 1 1 1. 11 1. 11 1. Anyone else? 11 1.
Yep.
2. 11 2. 11 2. That's what you 11 2. 11 1 2. 11 1 2.
Yeah.
Now 3. 11-3. I think so. 11-3. 11-3. 11-2, bitty down 3. Cheap enough. 11-3. 11-2's here, bitty down 3, bitty down 2, bitty down 11-3. $11,300. 11-3, 4. I'll remind you, it's a one-day sale. 11-4. 11-3's here, bitty down 4, bitty down 3's here, bitty down 4, bitty down 11-3, 4. 11-3, 4, 5. 11-5. 11-5. We're shooting small bullets, going slow for you. 11-5. 11-4, 5. 11, top of the line, top of the line, top of the line, top of the line, bitty down 5, 6. $11,600. $11,600. 5 here, bitty down 6 down, 6 down, 6 down, bitty down 11-5 here, bitty down 11-6. 11-5, 6. Hold that bid, 11-5.
Rusty, what's it take?
More than that.
More than that,
You want
guys.
to tell them and we'll give them a shot, or you want to just keep it? Don't matter.
I can get 15, he'll stay here.
Okay, guys, gals, takes
15?
$15,000.
No?
Hey,
All right,
go
thank
price
you.
them. It's worth the money.
Back, shop him a little bit, guys. You know he's not too far off on that deal. He's right on it. Hey, the blade doesn't sell now.
We selling the blade or not?
Sell it.
Yeah, go
Sell the blade. Sell the little 3-point blade right there. Bitty down $100. Good ones here. Bitty down $1, bitty down $50. $50, $50. Bitty down 25, 30. 25 of the line, 35 here. Bitty down 30 here. Bitty down top of the line, 35. 35, 40. Bitty down 5 here. Bitty down 45. 40 here. Bitty down top of the line, 50. $50, 5 here. Bitty down 55. 50. Now you're out. 55. 50 here. Bitty down top of the line. Top of the line, $55. $55. So $50 on 215. Gravely.
Is there a key in it? Go ahead.
Nope.
Same deal on that.
Guys, we had two things today. We had the Protect lawnmower and the tractor. And this will be sold with 100%. It's a Gravely 38-inch cut, 0 turn, ready for work. Turn like a kid. Gravely.
It's got low hours on it too, Parker.
How many hours?
It's 379 hours.
379 hours.
Low hours. I have no idea.
All right, on the Gravely ZT 38-inch cut XL. And it's got the Kohler 25 horsepower motor on it, and ready to go right there. Get down. How much here? Get down $3,500. 35 here. Get down 35 on the line. Get down $3,500. 35. Get down 3. Get down 1. Get down 31. 31. 1. Get down $2,500. 25. Get down 25 on the line.
Did you see the deck on this thing?
I did. And it's a 0 turn. You can't go buy a Cup Cadet for that. $2,500. Hit 20 top of the line. Get down 2 pal. Hit 2. Get down 2. Get down 1. Get down 2 down 1. Hit $2,100. Get down 21 1. Get down 2 here. Get down 1. Get down $2,100. Hit 2 here. Get down 1. Get down 21. Mike. Hit $2,100. Be good with this. 21. Hit 2 here. Get down 1. Get down 2. Get down 22. Hit 21.
Hey, it's cheap enough.
22. Hit $2,200. Hit 21. Two half. Hit 22. 50. Hit 22 to half. Bid it down 3. Hit $2,300. Bid it down 23 and 3 and 3. Bid it down 2 and half of the line. Bid it down $2,300. One good. $2,300.
Where's the mower worth the
22 and
money?
a half. $2,300. Anyone else? Got 22 and a half. Hold that bid.
22 and a half.
Yeah.
Sold it.
Sold. Your house buyer got it. Number 91.
Sell that, then we're
91.
gonna go sell
Thank you,
guns
ma'am.
and coins.